That sounds good to me. We talked about trying with Editor Limited first, and then a month of just testing it out before any kind of payment. But if that goes well, that sounds great to me. I'm really curious to see what you guys like, how you're actually going to make it rank better.
Our team member will send his Gmail address. You just give the editor limited access, and he also send his payment details. And after paying 50% advance, then he will start working for you definitely.
Okay.
This is Paravi and Mr. Giyasuddin Hero and me. We are teammate and we work for YouTube marketing, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, our team member has talked with you about our work process and what problem he found on your channel, and he already sent you a screenshot also mentioning the problem. So we offer package. So at first you can start with our monthly package. Like you can take our monthly package and we will optimize you 30 video for whole month, and we will optimize each of the things, and then you judge our work. Definitely we will try our best because it is our profession. So if we build an good relationship with you, then you will hire us again and again. Definitely we believe it, and we will try our best to grow your channel, and we will help you, and we will guide you what should you do, what should not to do, and we will also research your competitor, and we will overall we will work as a manager of your channel. So our work starting system is when you hire us, you can pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to start the process, we have two methods. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our side. But if you have any problem to give access to us, then we have second method, which is just you can provide us your video links. But this is not the right way. If you provide the editor access, then we only can just edit your video title, text, descriptions, and optimize your videos. So to receive the payment, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. But PayPal is not supported in our territory. So that is all about our price package and each of the things. So if you have any further questions, you can ask.
That sounds good to me. We talked about trying with Editor Limited first, and then a month of just testing it out before any kind of payment. But if that goes well, that sounds great to me. I'm really curious to see what you guys like, how you're actually going to make it rank better. Like, are you sharing the videos in certain communities? Is it just metadata changing? Those are the questions I'm curious about.
Definitely, we will promote your videos and we will optimize your metadata, and we also research your competitor. And overall, after optimizing and promoting, you will get your targeted audience and location based views.
Cool. Okay, that sounds great.
Okay. So after finishing the meeting, our team member will send his Gmail address. You just give the editor limited access, and he also send his payment details. And after paying 50% advance, then he will start working for you definitely.
Okay,
Okay. So thanks for your time and bye for now.
thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.